Hello, my name is Anna, an online English teacher from the Philippines. I've been teaching English for over 14 years now, 10 years in the classroom and 6 years online. My students include professionals, skilled workers, and other learners from different parts of the world. I currently work as a freelance online English tutor to learners globally. I am IELTS and TESOL certified with a bachelor's in education major in English and a master's in teaching of the English language. I am also a licensed professional teacher in my country, and this license is recognized in top universities abroad. I also graduated from the top university in the Philippines, and I believe that these qualifications help me stand out in the teaching industry. I have a combined experience in teaching ESL, EFL, corporate communications, and English test preparation, such as IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, OET, and you name it, I have probably taught it. I specialize in adult teaching, and in my years of experience, I have come to understand that adults are self-directed learners. Therefore, I make sure that my programs are always dynamic and never static. My students say that I'm competent, patient, caring, and fun, and a lot more actually. Because of my years of experience, I have collected a vast library of resources to share to my students. I work well with others and is a team player. Overall, I love teaching, and my main goal is to help my students attain their learning goals. It is also my goal to help them reach their dream of studying, migrating, or working in English-speaking countries. I have helped many students to do so. So with this, I'm wrapping up my video. I'd be happy to join your company as an online teacher and be part of your students' learning journey. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.